Yeah, but I mean, it was close. All that came down to was shifting points.
I don't know what I'm topped out. How many gears do I have?
5.
Keep going until it doesn't go anymore.
Yeah, you gotta learn how to shift. I don't know how to shift yet either. Not correctly.